Hello, my name is Dan. In this video, I will show you how to set up workflows in Soffront CRM. Workflows allow you to design and customize a CRM process to meet your specific business needs. You can break down your business process into stages and define specific tasks and emails to go out corresponding to each stage. You can complete the tasks to advance to the next stage or automate the process. This allows the CRM users to automatically know the to-dos for a specific stage, minimizing the need for training. It also helps to standardize successful processes in your business and optimize poorly performing processes to be successful in the long run. First, navigate to Home, then select Workflow under Settings. Next, select Accounts Workflow. Under Name, you can edit the name of your workflow. Select Status as Active. Inactive workflow will not be used by the system. Select the pencil icon next to each stage to edit its name. Click on the plus sign to the right of the stages to add a new stage to the workflow. Click the X to the right of each stage to delete it. To update existing tasks, click on the X to delete a task. Click on the pencil icon to edit a task. Click on the Copy button to copy a task. To add a new task to the workflow, click on the drop-down next to the task and emails and click on New Task. Give the task a name. Select an owner from the drop-down. Give it a due by day value. You can select the number of days after created date, current date, the preceding task is created, the preceding task is completed, the preceding email is sent. Next, you have an option to select a reminder pop-up or email. And select the number of hours, minutes, or days prior to the due date you want to see the reminder. Next, you have a checkbox for Notify. Click on Add to add this to your stage. Next, we will create a new email to the workflow. Click on the drop-down next to Tasks and Emails and select New Email. Next, select a template from the drop-down box on the right. You can add a previous created template. Type the subject or title of the email. Type a send interval to specify the number of days after created date, current date, or preceding task is completed. In this case, we will select preceding task is completed. Click on Save and OK to close. Next, select the drop-down next to Task and Emails and select Escalate. Escalate is useful when you want to take an action when an account record does not progress through the workflow within a certain time. Select a value for if not converted within days after created date. You can notify a user or reassign the account to a particular user. You can add tasks, emails, and escalation to any stage of the workflow. Next, click OK. Let's see how Accounts Workflow shows up under Account Records. Next, click Home, then Accounts. Click on Add to create a new account to see how a new account is handled in the workflow. Once we go to this account, you can see the workflow above. You can see the account is in the lead stage and the tasks show up on the right side. If you click on Contacted, you can convert this account to the next stage in the workflow. You will then have options to create the new tasks for the contacted stage. Below that, you have options to make the lead task mark the lead task as completed. You can also add additional notes to the account. Plus, you have the contact status if you desire. Click OK to convert. Now you see that the lead tasks have been completed and any task created for the contacted stage will appear. You will see that the lead as contacted are now in blue, showing the progress of your workflow. I hope you have found this video helpful and useful today, and I look forward to sharing and showing you additional features and functionalities of your Soffront CRM system in upcoming videos. Thank you.